All right, guys, so here is my beautiful 1992 Honda Accord. All right, the very first thing I'm gonna be doing today is taking off the side skirts. This is the very first project car that we're working on here at Ghetto Garage. All right, you guys can see the Bondo spots. You guys can see the rust. You guys can see the rust over here. This car ain't pretty for shit. We got pitted in the hood. This car is not pretty for shit, but it is old, it is reliable, and I love this shit to death. So I can't wait to keep working on this and keep showing you guys the progress and everything that's gonna happen, go on with it. And I hope you guys enjoy it just as much as I do. All right, guys, so the very first thing we're gonna need to do is remove these screws alongside here. Hey, you hush. Hey. Shit, that also screw. All right, got all this. Oh, you're about to pull out? Go ahead, bro. I'm so sorry. All right, guys. Had to let my neighbor back out real quick. All right, so I got those screws off. All right, this thing should come out once I pop off these clips. Now, there's these little clips right here. 1, 2. All right, now these clips should just pop right out. All right, if you guys are careful enough, you guys might be able to reuse them. All right, or keep track of them. I don't know where that one went. Oh, found it. Alrighty, this one now. Where they keep disappearing to? Holy shit. All right, that one. Oh, I caught that one. Skills, boy. And getting better. And the last one. Oh, no, one more. All right. Now, all of the clips, nope, I lied. All right, all of the clips should be out now. In theory. So grab all these, move them by my drill. And it looks like there's one more right here. Oh, fucking A. Yeah, there's one more right there. Let's switch hands. All right, switching hands. Ain't working too hot. Let's grab a tool. I'm just gonna use a flathead. See if I can jimmy it out. All right, and I got the last clip. All right, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 clips and 5 screws in the very front. And in theory, this whole thing should slide forward. See if we push it from the back if we can get it. Nope. Nope, not doing shit. No, nothing holding. All right, so let's see if we missed a clip. There. Looks pretty free. Oh, it's got a gang of shit in it though. I hope nothing falls out on me. So, let me do this. It should slide forward. Come on, bitch. Should honestly slide right off these clips. Almost there. We're getting somewhere, guys. Not trying to break nothing though. All right, and we got it. All right, got the first one off. All right, but that's the very first side. Just gonna put this inside. Girls. Put this right over here. Kill the bug. Hush. All right, now let's do the other side. So go. Trying to follow me everywhere. All right, let's pop around to the other. First, let me get a bag for all this stuff. All right, y'all, I couldn't find any bags, so I just got some rubber gloves that I had sitting in the house. Just gonna put all this stuff in here. Tie it off. Ghetto Garage, baby, we use anything that works. Anything that works. Now we're gonna take this off and we're gonna zip tie it to the other side skirt, just so we know what went where. If I can get the zip tie through. Come on! Well, honestly, this is the little piece that was in the front. You see how they had white paint on there? I don't want that one. By the time this car's finished, I want it to look good. You can have an old girl as long as she look good. That's all we're after. We're gonna zip tie all this to there, so we don't lose none of it. We know what's what. And we're on our way. On to the next side. All right, now we're gonna be doing the right side of the vehicle. God damn, this floor is hot as hell. All right, let's take off all these screws. All right, now normally if you guys don't have one of these 90s, All right, it's a huge time saver, honestly, lifesaver. I brought mine from work. But if you don't have one of these 90s, it's easiest to use like a short stubby, something like this. Maybe a Phillips though, kind of like this one. All right, now if you guys are gonna do that, you don't have much room to get in here with it. All right, so you're gonna need to actually turn the wheel, all right, which way you want it to go. But I'm lazy as fuck, so I brought my 90 and I'm just gonna do it this way. Yeah. Remove that. All right. And now we're gonna go ahead and start popping all these clips. Fuck. Give me that one. Oh, I had two come out on that one. Where'd it go? Oh shit. I lost one. All right. Pop this one. Caught one again. This one. And last but not least, gotta get this very front one. Yeah. Sound effects help. Whoever's working on a car and don't do sound effects, they're not even working. All right, got that one out pretty easy. All right, so now without damaging nothing else. And there we go. Second one's off. You guys can see we got a bunch of debris in there. We're gonna clean all this up once again. But this is the main thing we're here to get rid of. I want this all to look black, all this to be nice, all this to be clean. So we're gonna be sanding these tomorrow. I might do it at work, I might do it at home. I might do it at work just to save some time because I do have a pressure washing job to go to tomorrow after work. So I might just clean all these up at work and get them prepped, ready to go and everything like that. So let me go grab 2 more gloves and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm all out of gloves, so I'm just gonna use this zip tie bag right here. That was on these other zip ties I had. Once again, guys, it's Ghetto Garage. If it works, we gonna use it. Gotta fix it where it's broke. Make sure we picked everything up. Nice. Take a zip tie. I'm gonna put it to here. So we know that that goes with the right side. All right, and we're done.